I'm Mary Broadhead, and this is my husband, Rob, and we are sitting in our newly remodeled home in Wausau, Wisconsin. We were visiting our kids for Christmas a couple of years ago, and our daughter mentioned to us that the house across the street was available for sale again. Well, we were familiar with this house being, I think the technical term is a dump.
When we walked in, there was nothing inside the house. It was right down to the bare studs. And the outside of the house was in disrepair, honestly. There was windows missing that they had just boarded up. So they pretty much had to do everything.
I think we both have always been interested in a mid-century modern home. We had never lived in one, but we felt like that would really be a new experience and a fun experience for us. So we decided that, yeah, let's give it a try. Certainly some of the goals we had was to maintain the character of the mid-century modern home, but we also wanted the home to be updated, and we wanted the home to have the performance that we wanted and the layout that we wanted.
It's a house in a hillside. It really is. So, and they wanted to be able to live in this home as long as possible, so we were able to incorporate an elevator into the design. So because their garage is underneath the house, so this way they can use the elevator to get upstairs. You know, they don't have to worry about climbing steps, later in life.
That was a pretty big goal, to make this house work for an older couple like us, and to emphasize the things we find important. Bringing nature inside, having lots of natural light, being all on one level.
Yeah, I think we wanted everything in the home to be functional and up to date, but we also wanted it to be stylish, and we wanted it to conform with the mid-century modern feel for the home.
We wanted as much light as possible, of course, in the living areas of the house, the public areas. But in the bedrooms, we really wanted to stay with the mid-century modern aesthetic. And in those homes, typically the windows were kind of small and higher up the wall than is typical in a modern house. Well, we didn't go with the small. we made them a little bit larger, but we kept them high.
We added two windows to the west, large windows to the west side of the living room to bring all that light into that space, to give them the feel that they wanted, and honestly, give them a really nice view of Wausau and kind of the downtown area of Wausau.
We wanted the glass to be the star, so it didn't need any trimming or emphasizing. It's just the glass. That's what it was about. We almost feel like we can wear this house in an odd sort of way, that it fits us. We're comfortable rattling around in here. It fits. That's been, I think, one of the biggest pleasures of doing this house, was that it fits us.